got me paying the rent, paying for trips, diamonds on the neck, diamonds on the wrist, and here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight, had me thinking that
How have you guys been doing? I've been great for the most part. I've been great. We got our Polish results yesterday and nie mówię po polsku. I failed. I don't know how I feel about that. I really don't. I think I'm still processing it. I think it'll probably hit me when I start studying for the retake. The retake is in September, so I have time. But today it is a Saturday and we need to go and do grocery shopping for the week, because if we don't, Polish is this weird thing whereby shops, everything is closed on a Sunday without fail. Like, why? So I need to get groceries and I need to get cleaning stuff too, because it's my turn to clean the common areas here, which is the kitchen and the bathroom basically. So I need to get cleaning stuff for that, and then yeah, so I will see you guys at the I just got back from the store and I grabbed like groceries for the week, like I said, and some cleaning drumsticks, because I think I'm gonna make rice and stew. That is so Zimbabwean of me. Ribs. I think I want to make a nice cute dinner for myself tomorrow, just to like celebrate like the end of the semester and how well I did. Cooked sausages for breakfast when I go to the like market where they sell veggies and fruits and all that, like fresh produce. But the day that I went the other day, I didn't have cash, and it's like the one place where they only take cash. I was so mad. And oh yeah, more yogurt, and that's our mini grocery haul. I guess I would recommend to get one of these because it saves money on like having to always buy a bag every single time, and it's small, but it just like all the stuff fit in here, and it's just so like worth it. You just put it in your bag, bring it out when you buy something, and you put it back when you're done.
Please explain why you're always lost.
Why I'm always
Lost?
I wasn't lost. I was just a bit confused. There's a difference. Let's hold hands and be romantic.
And be romantic.
This is why I wanted your hands, because now my hand's on top and I don't have my nails done.
The ghetto. Okay. Today we tried out like the savory ones.
Why did I think of too much?
No, baby. But yeah, we tried out the savory ones. I got the carbonara and
I got Borneo. It had
we got the
Boston pulled pork. It has pulled pork, chipotle, and pickles.
better, and like the dough to be like a bit thicker, because like their pancakes are like really like they're like this thick, like the proper pancakes like this thick. But this is so thin.
Hey guys, let us make dinner. Remember on Saturday I promised myself a cute little dinner for Sunday, but that didn't end up happening because I ended up hanging out with the ribs. So let us make dinner. We're just gonna make ribs, baked potatoes, and steamed veggies, and that'll be our cute little dinner, and we'll just watch Netflix for the rest of the evening. So let's get into it. First of all, let us wash our hands. So we've washed our hands. Now I got these from Lidl. It's where I usually get them from, or Ocean. They're already like pre-marinated, which is great, and I don't think they're that much pre-cooked, but it's something. This looks so dangerous. Now now it's time for us to, let me just like glaze these with oil. Yeah, this is second now. I think I'm gonna make them like this, like, to be this big, to be fair. I saw a comment from Cheeto, she's my childhood friend, she's like, let's count how many times Ashley had said to be fair. So like, for this vlog, I'm really trying not to say to be fair. And to boil them, I'm just gonna season them with salt and season them with spices. My opinion on this Dr. Pepper juice, I low-key feel like it tastes like, for those of us who grew up like eating pin pops, that's how this tastes like. It literally tastes like that lollipop. Maybe I'm just the wrong one. Same, I don't know how to explain this to you, baby. I don't know. This is so good.
Kayaking with Lozzie. Cheers, Lozzie. Yeah, we found this place. We literally thought we were only gonna come here and swim, and guess what? We got a deal for a deal. And we literally paid 20 zloty for the both of us for 60 minutes to do this. Is this still considered kayaking, or now we're just cycling? Cycling. Great. And it's amazing. I mean, it's a workout, but it's amazing. So if you're ever in Łódź with your friends, Saturday, Sunday, it's summer, do this. It's literally refreshing because it's 28 degrees out, and right now it just feels like there's a warm breeze, like an ice cream after an ice cream. So yeah, it's great.